Hello, I'm Rochelle and I am so excited to show you these beautiful butterfly rings that I created because one day I went to the butterfly museum with my daughter and she released a beautiful butterfly just like this one. It was called the Scarlett Mormon Butterfly, and to help her remember it, I decided to make her a ring that would fit on her little finger, and one for her and one for me. In your file you'll have 3 sizes of rings. A kid size and then one up to my size. You can resize it to your needs just as long as you select all the pieces when you resize. What you're going to need to do is first find the lace part or the single wing. And what you're going to want to do with the single wing is you're going to want to glue the red and white piece on. It's kind of like a puzzle. It fits really nicely together. Put a little dab of glue right here and here and place your pieces. And then what you're going to do is make a butterfly wing jelly sandwich and place your ring, putting glue here and here onto this piece. Do that to both sides. And what you will end up with is a ring that looks like this. Now form a curve and make sure that the side that you glued this piece onto is on the bottom side. Put the slits together and line up the body of the butterfly. And then press with your finger to make it flat, and you'll have a beautiful ring for you and your little ones to bring in spring or just enjoy the wonder of a butterfly. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll be back soon with another tutorial. See ya!